Today I'd like to introduce one of my compositions. Turtle is looking at sunset. And I'd like to explain about the music structure. You get the free sheet music from our website, so please enjoy. Thank you. Let's see the music structure. The structure is pretty simple. There are 3 parts. The first part starts from first line. Second part starts from third line. And the third part starts on the second page, second line. And the melody on the first line repeats on second, fifth lines. And also second page, first line, and fourth line and fifth line. About second parts. The melody on third line repeats on fourth line. And third parts. The melody on the second line repeats on the third line. And since this music is C minor, you have 3 frets. And the left hand has only 3 chords, A flat, B flat, C. That repeat on second part and third part. And ends on C minor chord.